And there's a replica of the City Life townhouses.
Here comes the Centennial High School Marching Band from Gresham, Oregon. This is a highly acclaimed band for 14 out of 18 years. Centennial has been the Portland Rose Festival sweepstakes winner and a 5-time Festival of Bands champion. Gresham, Oregon. In March, the band performed at Disneyland and Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. We're happy to have them here.
That's an elegant color guard, huh? Drill team.
I think people don't realize the precision and the work and the practice that goes into everything. The way they step, the way they hold their instrument, the way they wear their hats. Some mom and some dad are saying, there he is, there she is.
Or where are they? Show my baby.
Don't go away. The Southwest Airlines Grand Floral Parade marches on in 2 minutes.